Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make tomatillo salsa. This is an amazing recipe. Let's do it. We're going to begin by putting on gloves. You don't have to do this. I do it because tomatillos have like a sticky residue to their skin, and I just don't like my fingers being sticky. So this is what they look like without the skin. This is what they look like with the skin. You see that? I'm just gonna pull this skin off. It just comes right off. My tomatillos have been washed, so now I'm going to slice them in half and then place them face down on my baking sheet that's covered with parchment paper. Now I'm going to place the tomatillos in my oven on broil for 5 to 7 minutes. While our tomatillos are broiling, I'm going to go ahead and place in my other ingredients into my Ninja. Our tomatillos are finished roasting, so now it's time to put them in the Ninja. Now let's blend it. This tomatillo salsa is going to be amazing. It's one of our favorites. I'm going to put a light sprinkle of pink Himalayan salt in there. All right, it's time for a taste test. Whoops. Yum. Gotta love tomatillo salsa. So easy to make and tastes delicious. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, show me some love by hitting that like button. And if you're not following me, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.